Okay, let's design sidebar of our chat application. So let's open VS Code and let's close this one. First of all, let's create component. Let's collapse the sidebar and let's go to client project. Let's create some component first. Nggc chat sidebar skip text and inline style. Let's create this component inside component folder. Let's press enter. Let's open sidebar inside src, inside app, inside component. We can see that sidebar component without css file. Let's create another component. Nggc component inside component. Let's create chat window component. Skip text. We don't need skip this codes. And inline style. Press enter. Our chat window component is ready. So let's open chat sidebar and chat sidebar component HTML. Here let's design our chat sidebar. Let's remove this paragraph. Let's add div of class p4 padding 4. Inside this, let's add another div of class flex, item center, justify center, item center, and then justify between, busy white, z index 10, sticky top, sticky, and let's keep top of 0, p1 and double full. Inside this div, let's create another div with class flex. Let's make it item center. Let's add image here. Let's add image here and class s10 w10 rounded full, border gray 100, border gray 100, border 2, border width 2, object cover, and let's add src random user me. Let's save it. Let's run our application. npm start. We can see chat work. Let's go to chat window component html. Let's add here div of class relative w full. Let's add color hash dfe 7f1 and is full. Inside this div, let's add another div. Let's give class chat header and let's make it flex, justify between, item center, border b, border bottom, and w full, busy white, p4. Let's add another div and here let's print username span of class font bold, leading normal. Okay, and let's print here name. Let's add here div of class flex rounded 3xl is full, justify center. Let's say justify between. Inside this div, let's add app chat sidebar and keep class busy white, border right, and width of w1 by 2, and let's self close this tag. And here let's add another div class w full. Inside this div, let's add app chat window, and let's add here another div and keep class vuejs 50 border left w1 by 2. Save it, save this one, and let's go to browser. Okay, here let's remove this one and let's add for now div of class flex and flex column item center. Let's make justify center and height full, and add here image src. Let's say chat open.spg. Let's remove this one, self close tag, save it. We don't see picture here. Let's go to ondraw.co and let's search for here. Let's search for typing and click this one. Download spg for your project, and let's save here and name this chat open. Save it, this open folder. Let's drag this in public folder. Let's drag this one and drop here. Let's save it, go to browser. We can see now we have this image. So let's add sidebar. Let's close this one and close all by pressing Ctrl W and Ctrl B, and let's open chat sidebar component HTML. Open this website by pressing Ctrl click. Let's remove this portrait, and here let's right click this one and open in new tab. Let's copy this image and let's paste here. Save it, go to browser. Now we can see our photo. Close this tab and let's add here div, another div. Let's give class font medium ml2, margin left 2, text gray 500. Let's adjust zone doi. Let's save it, go to browser. Now we can see here name. Okay, now let's add here button here. After this div, let's add another div enter. Let's give of class. Let's add button. Let's add matte icon button. Let's add here matte menu trigger for, let's say, menu. Inside this button, let's add here matte icon and more underscore part. Let's go to component ts and import here matte icon module and matte menu module. Let's import here matte menu module. Let's save it, go to component html, and here let's add matte menu. Let's add here temporary variable menu, and let's add matte menu here. Let's add button let's add menu item. Let's add here mat icon. Let's say logout and add here this label span logout. Save it, go to browser. So let's save it. Let's click this menu. We can see logout button here. Okay, let's add here list of user. Let's go to here and add source. Let's add div here and give class. Let's give class relative flex empty4 item center gap 2 justify between. Inside this div let's add input placeholder source and type text. Let's add class busy slate 100 border 1 focus ring 1 focus ring slate 100 focus outline known w full mb3 border slate 50 padding 1 padding left 10 and text slate 500 font normal. Let's self close this tag, save it, go to browser. We can see source here. Let's make it px3. Let's make it rounded md, save it. We can see little rounded corner. Let's add here mat icon of class absolute text gray 400. Let's make it 400 and left 2 top 1 pr3. Let's close it and let's add source, save it, go to browser. Now we can see source icon here. Now let's render list of user here. Let's add here another div. Let's add class py1 overflow y auto. Let's add here scroll smooth. Let's add another div here. Let's add class item center gap 2 and py2. Close it. Let's add image here and src. Let's copy this one for now and paste it. Let's make it 12. Let's add class s10 w10 and rounded full, save it. Let's open here one div and give class, and inside this div let's add span of class text base text gray 500. Let's say 600 and font normal. Let's add here full name. For now just say John Doe, and here let's add paragraph tag and give class text access and text slate 400. Let's say 3 new messages and save it, go to browser. We can see here one user. Let's iterate this user 10 times. Let's add here, let's cut it, Ctrl X, let's look for item of, let's declare array 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and track by item. Let's paste here. Let's save it. Go to browser. You can see 10 times on the way. Let's make it some. Add here. Let's add here item. Let's save it. Go to browser. We can see different image, user images. Okay, now we have beautiful looking sidebar.